In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Sienna key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a pretty easy process to do, but you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, or you're just not even sure where to find one of those, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is to look over on the side of the device. You can see there's that button that says push. Hold that down and pull out the internal key down at the bottom. Now we can see the keyhole, well, better over here. You can see the keyhole, and then perpendicular to that, there is a little slot in the plastic. So this is the keyhole, and this is the area that I'm talking about. You're going to use a regular flathead screwdriver. You're going to insert it into that area and just twist. Just twist your screwdriver until you feel this thing crack open, and now you can set this back to the side and just carefully remove this little component. This is the circuit board, and the battery is right there as well. So just hold it on the sides, try not to touch this side, this back part too much. And using the same flathead screwdriver, we're going to insert the tool between the battery and the plastic behind it. So just apply some constant pressure there. You don't want to just shove it in, just work it in there. Get behind the battery. And then you can, once you feel it kind of slide in there, you can pry the battery out and just remove it like that. So I'll show you that one more time. Going to come in right here, take your tool and just push it in, slide it behind, and remove it with your fingers. Once more, this is a CR2032 battery. Make sure that is the one you are using. And when you put your new battery in there, make sure the positive side goes face up. So click it in and make sure that plus sign is facing up. Now on the back section of plastic, you can see that little circle there. The battery is going to sit face down right on top of that, okay? So set that in there, see the circuit board facing up, and now we can just click the other half of the device back on there, just squeeze it all together and put your key back in there. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section. And remember, if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.